4200, you might have a craftsman, whatever, same thing. And the problem would not start when you crank it. Jump it from the battery to the starter and it'll turn over. So I know the starter's good. Now, spent a lot of time checking these switches. There's one here for the seat. There's one under here for the, make sure that the brake is pressed. But actually, what ended up being the problem, first thing you should check maybe, is this fuse right here. Now mine was actually tucked up under here and goes in there and you can't see it.